This is a GI tank, 2 mm. The thickness is almost 2 mm, and this is the part where the welding is done. This is not a normal arc welding, it is a CO2 welding, which has more life than the arc welding. 2 nipples, so that a hot water and a cold water can be inserted and hot water can be taken from this. There is a heater point. Here you can have a electrical heater insertion. Special purpose tank. It's a 300-liter tank, whereas it has a 30 holes, so you can use. Inside you can see. Okay. Same here. From this side also 2 nipples. Inside the tank, as you can see, there are 30 holes where the tube is inserted. Now 300-liter of water heater, so water is placed inside it.